Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to use a FedEx envelope with a built-in pouch. This is helpful because the pouch keeps the shipping label or documents in place so FedEx can scan and process the package more easily. First, place the papers or items that you want to send inside the FedEx envelope. Make sure everything fits properly and is not folded too much. After that, remove the seal strip and close the envelope firmly. Next, prepare your shipping label. If the envelope has a clear pouch on the outside, slide the label inside with the barcode and delivery details facing outward. And make sure the information can be seen clearly. If there are extra shipping documents, place them in the pouch as well if needed. Once everything is inside, press the pouch flat so it stays secure. Before sending it in, check the envelope one more time and make sure it is sealed and the label is visible and the address is correct. After that, the FedEx envelope is ready to drop off or hand over for shipping. So that is all for today. Thank you so much for watching. For more videos like this, hit the subscribe button below and I'll see you on the next video.